We should be live. Let me just check it out here. Boom, 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 boom. That there. Okay, it says we are all the way live. So I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen. All right, the first thing I want you to do is to start creating your free. Now I'm going to show you how to make a free website. Okay. Okay. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and go to where it says, I want you to go to my website, PastorDre.com. Okay. I want you to go ahead and go there. And then what I want you to do is I want you to click where it says free website. I want you to click there. Once you click there, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this page coming up now. I'm going to show you. Okay. Let me show you how it's going to look. It's going to look like this. Okay. So once this page loads up, it's going to say turn your passion into a thriving business. Now, this is a business company, but you can use this for your church website. And I'm going to show you how to do everything for free. The first thing you need to do is you need to see if your domain name is available. The first thing we're going to do is got to get you a domain name. So say my church is the On Fire Church. Then I would type that into here, the On Fire Church. Okay. And then whatever you want your domain name to be, it's going to be whatever you type, .siterubics.com. But it needs to be available. As you can see, the On Fire Church is not available. So for the sake of this webinar, I'll just put my cool website. How is that? Let's see if that's available. All right, it's available. So then once that is available, okay, you go ahead and type what you want your domain name to be right here. Now, this is a free website, so it will be on a subdomain. So what I want you to do is go ahead and figure out what name you want, and then .siterubics.com is going to be your full domain. So I'm going to go ahead and click build my free website. That's going to load up. All right. Once it loads up, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. And what I want you to do is go ahead and enter your email. I want you to enter your name. I want you to enter your username, and I want you to create a password. Okay, so once again, your email address, your your name, choose a username and password. Now, the reason it is asking you for these things is because this is a community. It's an online community, and I'm a member of it. So once you join, come on, somebody, I'll be able to send you a welcome message. You can connect with me. But it's not only me. There's like a million entrepreneurs in this community that can answer questions for you and good stuff like that. Okay. So it is a pretty cool community. So that's why it's asking for this information. All right, so once you figure this out, once you enter all that, it's going to take you to a page that's going to look like this. Let me take you to the page now. So I'm going to type in my church website. I'm going to type that in. Okay, so this is going to be our goal. This is the goal of our website. We want to create a website that looks like this. Okay, but before we do that, let me go ahead and show you. Once you filled out this information here, I'm going to show you the page that's going to pop up for you. Okay, it's going to look like this, but I'm not logged in. So let me see if I can go ahead and log in from this. It's going to, okay, here we go. So it's going to ask you choose a domain name, which you've already chosen, enter a title for your website, and then I want you to click build my free website. Okay. So let me go ahead and go to this page I'm going to log in now. Okay, and we're going to go through this step by step. So I'm going to go to websites. I'm already a member, so what I'm doing is I'm actually logging into my account. So that's what's happening here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click build a new website, okay? And this is the page that you should have now. So I'm actually in the what do you call it, the community now. All right, so once you've filled out this information, that pop up, it took you to a page like this. So now what I need you to do is after you click free domain, rewrite your domain name in here again, since you know it's available now. So mine is my cool website. I'm gonna put that there. Enter a title for your website. You could put your church name, the On Fire Church, the Radical Church, whatever your church name is. I'm just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna put my cool website. Okay, for the sake of the webinar. Now, when you scroll down here, you're only going to have one theme. I have a lot of themes because I'm a premium member. but for free, you get one theme, which is more than enough now. So go ahead and choose that theme. Then I want you to click Build My Free Website. It's going to take about 20 seconds or so to give us some time to load up. It's going to create your website for you. All right. And once that's done, it's going to tell you when it's done. So just let it do what it has to do. Let it do what it has to do. Okay. There we go. Now you have a website. Just that quick for free. So what I want you to do here, when this page pops up, I want you to click log in now. That's where I want you to click. Okay. So now we're about to get busy because we're getting into what's called our dashboard. This is our dashboard. We all the way live. So if you have questions, you can put them in the chat. Let me just say hello to everybody in the chat right there. Hello. So if you're in the chat, you're listening, you can go ahead and ask me some questions and I'll try my best to help you out. If you're seeing it on demand, then you can you can send me questions to my email, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. All right. So now that we're in our dashboard, what I want you to do is we're going to go ahead and get started here. We're going to go ahead and get started. And then I want you to click right here where it says dashboard. Okay. I'm going to click there. Okay. And then after you click there, what we're going to do is I want you to go to appearance and then customize. Okay. Appearance, then customize. And what we're going to do now, remember, this is our goal. This is our goal right here. Create a website that looks like that. Let me show you how our website looks right now. This is how it looks right now. I'm going to show you. Boom. It looks like that. My Cool website. That's the one we created. Okay. So right now you're in your dashboard. So let me go ahead and click dashboard again. And this is where you're at. So our goal, what we have now, and the place where we're going to put the work in to get it to look like this. So first thing I want you to do is go to appearance, customize, click right there. Okay. Hallelujah. After you go there, I want you to go and click site identity and then select logo. Click there. Now, let me just explain this to you. I already have images on my computer hard drive. Now, I'm not a graphic designer, but I did put some basic images together. If you have a graphic designer at your church, I'm sure they can come up with some way better images than mine. But I'm just going to use some images that I just put together for the sake of the website and for the sake of the webinar. Now, so what I'm going to do, let me go back just so you can so you can see. So I put select logo, and then I click select files. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my hard drive, and I'm going to get this banner right here. I'm going to double click. Okay. Once I double click, oops, I clicked the wrong one. Let me click the JPEG file. Once I double click, it's going to load up. Okay. And then what you want to put, you want to click select. So to click that. You go over here, make this bigger. Boom. Make it bigger like that. Boom. Okay. And then you're going to click crop image. All right. And then look what happens at the top over here. You should now have the image. Isn't that cool? All right. So now what I want you to do is click this arrow here. Then I want you to go where it says layout, click there. And where it says header, click there. Where it says header alignment, click right there and then click center. It moved everything to the center. Click publish. Okay. After that, if you want to get rid of this writing at the top, me personally, I don't like it. If you like it, you can leave it, but let me show you how to get rid of that really quick. What you're going to do is we're going to go back to our dashboard. Let's go to our dashboard. Then we're going to click, my bad, go to appearance, and then you go to customize. Okay. So appearance, customize. All right. And then we're going to go back to where it says site identity. See where it says hide site title? You click that. See where it says hide site tagline? You click that. And then you click publish. And there it goes. Now it's disappeared. So now when I refresh our website, look how it looks now. You got a nice header. And remember, our goal is this. So now we have this. So now what I want to do is I want to show you how to add the pages to your website. If you notice this website here, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So we're going to go ahead and add those now. I want you to go to dashboard, okay? And let's keep a sample of our site up. Let me go ahead and do it like this. Visit our site here, boom, okay? And we're on the dashboard. Okay, so we got our sample site, what we have now. This is the site we're aiming for, and this is our dashboard. Okay, so now to add pages, I want you to go to pages, okay? And I want you to go ahead and click add new. And I want you to type in, let's do what we got. What do they have here? They got home, live webcast, podcast, small groups, blog, contact us. So I want you to type in live webcast and then click publish. Okay. I want you to click add new, and I want you to click blog, and I want you to click publish. Then I want you to go to add new, type in contact us, space, and click publish. Every page, I want you to type it out. Okay. Then we got small groups. So let's go back over here, click add new, type in small groups, and then click publish. Okay. And let me see what we have so far. I think we have most of the pages. Let me just refresh our site to see what we have. All right, we got sample page, live webcast, blog, contact us. We're missing the podcast. So let's go back to the dashboard, click add new, and I want you to type in podcast. And then you click publish. Okay. Now, when we click refresh, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. We're going to fix this sample page. I'll show you how to do that real soon. All right, next thing I want you to do is we're going to turn this from a blog to a website. If you notice right now, it's a blog post. We're going to make it look like a website. So the next thing we need to do is go to appearance. I'm sorry, go to settings right here, settings. And then I want you to go to reading. Okay. And then what I want you to do is I want you to click where it says static page, click there, click over here, and then I want you to click, oh wait, we forgot to do something really quick. Well, my bad. Let's go to pages and let's add one more page. We're going to add home page, HOME. Sorry about that. So we add home page. Okay. Now we're going to go to settings right here. Okay. And we're going to go to reading. Then we're going to click this button right here. And we're going to select home page. And I want you to select home. Then for your post page, I want you to select blog. And then I want you to click save changes. Okay. So now we're going to go back to our dashboard. I want you to go over here to your website and I want you to click refresh. Watch what happens. Now it looks like a website. See, that's cool. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of our sample page. The way you do that, you go to your dashboard, go to pages, and see where it says sample page. Just click trash. Okay. You're good to go. Now we're going to go back to our website and click refresh. Now you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got a 6-page website. This is your home website right here. It's coming along. Remember, our goal is to get it to look like this. So how do you change the order? Because if you notice here, it says home, live webcast, podcast, small groups, contact us. How do you change that order? Go back to your dashboard. Okay. Then I want you to go where it says appearance. And then I want you to go where it says menu. Click there. Now, when you go to menu, there's a few things that you need to do. Okay. If you want to change the order, you just click and drag. Click and drag. Okay. So we're going to go with the order of this. So we got home, live webcast, podcast. So let's do that. home, we got live web class. You click and bring it up, but make sure it's all the way to the left. If it's to the right, it'll be a submenu. So you put that to the left. So home, live webcast, and then podcasts and small groups. So let's get podcasts and bring it up. Small groups, you bring it up, and then you blog and you contact us. Blog, contact us. Now make sure you create the menu. You got to click the blue button there, create the menu. Next thing you want to do is go down here where it says primary menu, click that. And then I want you to click save menu. Okay, now when you go to your website and you click refresh, watch what happens. Your order changed. Wow, you are making progress. You are making progress. And everything you've done so far can be done for absolutely free. All right, next thing we want to do is we want to start adding some typing. But what I want to do is I want to get rid of this on the side and this right here. I don't personally like that. If you like it, you can leave it. But even the website we're trying to go after doesn't have that on the side. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to do that in case you want to remove it also. Me personally, I like to remove it. So we're going to go to pages and we're going to be working on our home page. So I want you to go to home and click edit. Okay. Then I want you to go over here to the right. See where it says content, no sidebars. I want you to click there. Then I want you to click update. Then we're going to go to our website. Now, when we click refresh, these sidebars should disappear. Let's see. There we go. Now we want to get rid of this where it says home. When you do that, go to the same page, home page. You go over here to the same area, but see where it says disable elements? Click that. See where it says content title? Tick that box. And then click update. After you tick that box and you click refresh, home disappears. Now you're good to go. All right. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to add uh, the content editor. So we're going to go to settings, and then I want you to go to writing. And then I want you to click block editor, and I want you to click yes right here where it says allow users to switch editors. Click yes. And then I want you to click save changes. Okay. Let's go back to our dashboard, and you're good to go. You just added your content editor. The one I like to work with is the block editor. So you got classic and then you got the new block editor. So now you have a choice. Okay. So now the next thing we want to do is we want to start adding this writing there right here. We want to add this writing. How do we do that? Okay. So we're going to go to our dashboard and we're going to go to the page we want to work on. So you go to pages. And right now we're working on our home page. So you go ahead and click edit with block editor. That's what we just added. Okay. This is a cool editor, makes it so much easier. Okay, just go ahead and hit the X. Now, whatever you want to type, so say our church is My Cool Church. Like, for example, this banner says the On Fire Church. It was already pre-made, but whatever you type on your image, it'll say what you want to say. Okay, I actually used the domain My Cool website, but I could change it like that. But for the sake of time, it's just an image that has typing on it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna use the same text that we did for the On Fire Church. So I'm gonna say, "Welcome to the On Fire Church," okay? Or you can say, "Welcome to my cool website." Now let me do that. Welcome. So you just start typing to my cool website. There you go. And then you hit update. And then when I hit refresh, watch what happens. The typing should show up there. Boom. There you go. Welcome to my cool website. Now, how did you get it to make it big? You click on it, click this little area here, click heading 2, and then you click B for bold. You can even make a heading 1. That to center it, you click these lines here, and you click center. There you go. Welcome to my cool website. So if we refresh over here, it's going to be a lot bigger. Nice. Okay, so now we're getting close to this. So how do we add this text? Same thing. I'm just going to copy and paste this one for the sake of the webinar. You could type whatever you want. So you just go to this area, you start typing. Whatever you type will show up. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste the type I already have as if we typed it. Then you just highlight it to center it. You highlight it, you click these lines here, you click center. You want to bold it, you click the B. You don't want to bold it, you don't click the B. Click update. So now, when I go to my cool website and I hit refresh, there it is. You got the text there. All right, we're making progress. We're already got the header, we got the pages, we got the typing. Now, how do we add these images here? Let me show you how to do that. And once again, these images are already on my hard drive. And like I said, if you have a graphic designer, I'm sure they could make some pretty nice graphics for you. Okay. So what I do is I go here to the plus, and I want you to type in the word columns. Okay. And then I want you to click columns, and I want you to click the one that has three. Click that. And then what I want you to do is click the plus, and I want you to type in the word image. Okay. And then this is going to pop up. You click image. Then what I want you to do is go to upload, or hopefully your graphic, your image is on your hard drive. And then here's mine right here. Here's my images that I created in Photoshop. Very simple. So I'm going to click the live webcast image. Look what happens. It pops up. I'm going to go over here, click the plus, right? Like image, upload, and then I'm going to say church podcast. Then I go over here, click the plus, click the image. I'm going to click upload. Then I'm going to say small groups. And then we're going to click update. Now, when I refresh my website, let's see what happens. Refresh. There you go. Wow. Now, if you notice, they're not centered. So the way to center them is you go back to your website, you click on the image. See these lines here? You click that. Then you click Align Center. Image, click the lines, Align Center. You click the image, click the lines, you click Align or Lines, and then you click Align Center. There you go. Click Update. Hallelujah. And then you hit refresh. Now your images are centered. Wow. It is really coming along. Okay, well, let's see what we got next. Next, we got a video. This could be a welcome video. It could be a welcome video from your newcomers team, your newcomers pastor, your senior pastor, someone saying a greeting and saying thanks for stopping by our website. You can embed any YouTube video. So that's pretty cool. So let me show you how to embed the video. What you want to do is you want to go over here. Okay, we're going to go down here. We're going to click plus, and I want you to click columns. Then I want you to click two columns here. All right. Then here, I want you to click plus, and I want you to click paragraph. You can say, hello and welcome to our website. Here is a welcome video from our newcomers team or pastor. Okay. So we'll say team. Boom. And I hit update. Okay. Now when I go to my website and I click refresh, let's watch what happens. So now we got some typing there. So how do we put the video? What you do is you go back and you click this plus and you want to type in video or YouTube, either one. And you click where it says YouTube. So now you go to YouTube and get any URL from a video on YouTube and you put that there and that video will show up. So I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to go grab a video. I'm just going to put anyone for now, but you can record it and YouTube's free. So you record your video, upload it, and you are good to go. So let me go ahead and grab a video. Let me see, what video can I get here? Let me use this video here. I'll just grab this one. Okay. So in order to get the URL, you can either copy it from up here, or you can go where it says share and you click copy. You take that URL, you bring it back over to where they're asking you to put the URL and you paste it. You know, PC is Control V. I'm not for sure what it is on Mac. Then you click embed. Watch what happens. There's your video. Then you click update. And then when we go refresh our website, let's see what happens. Wow. Now you got a nice video. So you got your header, you got your pages, you got some cool text, you got your links right, you got your pictures here, you got a welcome. Well, hello and welcome to our website. Here's a welcome video from our newcomers team. So this video could be someone welcoming the people to the website. Like I said, it could be your senior pastor, it could be your newcomers team, it could be your PR representative, something like your church spokesperson. That is rocking. And you've done all this for free, absolutely free. And let me tell you this. Let me just share a little bit here, right here. If you don't have a website for your church, it's like having a church, like you don't have a building, because we all know what's going on now. A lot of churches can't meet in their building. So how else can people get a hold of you now? You need to have a website. It's very important. And I'm showing you how to get one for free. So nowadays, having a website is like having a church. And I understand, you're promoting on social media, all that's great, but that's leased property. Because what if your account shuts down? Or what if the social media platform shuts down? Then how do we get a hold of you? So you want to have a website. A website is your own property. Social media is your leased property. And you want to promote your services on your website. You don't want to promote your services on social media. Because if I go to social media, let me tell you why you don't want to do that. If I go to social media, you don't have a contact us page. You don't have a blog. You don't have a podcast page. And you definitely don't have a giving page. Hello. But you can have all that on your website. So if I'm watching your services on your website, then I could click and give. Then I could click your small groups and get more information. On whatever social media, is a lot of distractions. You want to lead people to your website. And I just showed you how you could put a video in your website. Not only that, you could put your live feed from YouTube in your website. Man, it's exciting. Yes, you can do that. All right. So now that you've got yourself, your home page is up and running, I'm going to show you how to link your pages to these images. Because if you see these images, you click, nothing happens. But if you go to these images, watch what happens when I click. It takes me to the live webcast page. That's cool, huh? So how do you do that? So we're going to go back to our dashboard. Let's make sure we saved everything. Always want to make that a habit. We go back, and then we're going to go to our home page, edit with block editor. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the links from the pages. So this is our live webcast image, and we want it to link to our live webcast page. So I click on the image, then I'm going to go to our website and I'm going to grab the link of this page. There's a few ways you can do it. You can right click, which is PC. I'm not sure what it is on Mac. Then you click copy link address. Another way you can do it is click on the actual page and go get the link from up there. Right click, copy. That's PC. Not for sure how do you copy on a Mac. Okay. Now once you get that link, you come back, click on the image. See this little link thing there? The box is going to pop up. You click the link thing here. You click that. This box pops up. You paste the link in there. You click the arrow. And you click update. And do the same thing for the church podcast. Let's go get that link. So I'm just going to do let me hit refresh. I'm just going to do the click way. So right click, copy link. And I'm going to go to my image, click the link there, click inside the box, paste the link there, click the arrow. I'm going to go back to the website. I'm going to get the small groups, right click, copy link, go back over here, click the small groups image, click, click on the link. It's going to give me a box. I'm going to paste it in there. You click the arrow. All right. Then you click update. All right. Let's refresh our website. Now, the cool thing is when we click these images, it should take us to those pages. Let's see. Click the image, took me to live webcast. Go back to the home page, click the image of church podcast, takes me to the podcast. Go back to the home page, click small groups, takes me to the small groups. Wow, you got a rocking website. Here it is, a nice one-page website. You ready to rock and roll. Now, let's do your live webcast page. And you got 6 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you want, I noticed this has a color in the back. So let me see if I can show you how to do that. Let's go to our dashboard. Okay. We're going to go to appearance and we're going to go to customize. In case you want to add a little bit of color. Me, I personally like the all white. It's just plush. But let's see, you got colors here, background color. Click that. Move this thing around. If you want burgundy, however you want it. You want it darker, go over here, slide this up. Boom. Slide it to the right, slide it down. Whatever color you want. Boom. Then you click publish. That's pretty cool, huh? And then you go over here and you hit refresh. I think you should have a burgundy background now. Boom. There you go. There you go. So now it looks almost just like the one. Let me go to the home page. Remember, we started off with this as a goal, right? Here's the actual goal, and here's our actual website. You did all that in less than an hour. You have an official and all for free. So now you have no excuses of not having a website for your church. You can use it for your Christian rap group, Christian singing group, for your ministry. Maybe you have a ministry in the church and you want to create a website just for your Bible study. Oh my God, wouldn't that be rocking? And you could do your Bible study live through your website through YouTube. Oh, I get a little bit excited. I get a little bit excited. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and add our live webcast page. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. Go there. And remember, whatever page you want to work on, you just go to pages and you click that page. So live webcast, edit with block editor. So to make any changes to a page, that's how you do it. Okay. And then once you do that, the editor shows up. So I'm going to type in hello and welcome to our live webcast. Boom. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to highlight it, click this little place there, click heading, and I'm going to click heading 2, and then bold. Then I'm going to put it in the center. I'm going to click the lines there and click align text center. Then I'm going to click update. Then I'm going to go to our website, click refresh. And then I'm going to go to the live webcast page. Let's see what we got. There it is. Now for the live webcast, I kind of like this writing here, but I don't want this on the side. So I showed you how to get rid of that. So let's do that. So we're going to go over here to the right. We're actually on the live webcast page. And we're going to go where it says content, no sidebars. You click that. You click update. And then you're going to click refresh. And your sidebar should be gone. Now I showed you how to add the video. So what you want to do, whatever your YouTube channel is, it has a live channel. So here's how you get that. Okay, so then whenever you go live, this is so cool. It'll automatically start playing. So here's what you do. This is good stuff. You go to the plus, you click go live. Okay, this is heavy stuff right here. This is good stuff. So now you could go live from YouTube to your website. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, then you go over here where it says, or you close that. Mhm. Just close that. Okay, and make sure where it says stream, click that. Okay, and then go ahead and just go ahead and click save. Oh, you got to select no. If it's for children, select no. Then you click save. Now what you need to do is see this little thing right here where it says share. You click that. It's going to give you a little uh, URL. Click copy. Copy that. Okay. Or you could click embed. Let's do the embed. Let me show you how to do the embed. So you click that, and then you right click to copy it on PC. I'm not for sure what it is on a Mac. So we're going to do the embed option. Okay. So this is our live feed. Whenever we go live, this is where we're at. So we're going to tell our website whenever we go live, put that YouTube video in our live webcast page. So now I'm going to go to the dashboard to our live webcast page, and I want you to go down here and I want you to click plus. And I want you to type in HTML. Okay, click that. This box pops up. I want you to take the code that you pasted from over here from the embed. Okay, once again, embed. Here's the code. I want you to copy it. I want you to go back to your dashboard and put that code right here in this box. And I want you to click update. Now watch how cool this is. You go to your website, you go to your live webcast page, and you hit refresh. Watch what happens. Here's your live video. Whenever you go live, it's gonna automatically start playing. Tell me that's not right. So you have a service, say for example, Sunday morning service. You go live to YouTube, okay? Once you go live, your feed is gonna show up on your website. Tell me that's not rocking. And you can get free software to do it. One software is called OBS. Let me go to Google for you and type it out so you can see. Okay. So you go to google.com, you type in OBS. Okay. And you just download this software right here for free. It'll let you go live on YouTube. And of course, you might have to watch some tutorials on how to set everything up. This tutorial is not for that, so I don't want to spend too much time doing it. But this is a free program you can use to go live on YouTube. Okay. All right. So there you go. So now, how do we center our video and everything? Let's go ahead and do that. What I like to do is I like to go to the plus. I like to use the columns. So I'm going to type in columns. Okay. I'm going to hit column area. Then I'm going to put 3 columns. And what I like to do is I'm going to put the HTML in the middle. So you hit plus, and then I want you to type in HTML. Okay. And then you select that. So now your HTML is in the middle. So I usually get that code that I have, that's right here. I put it there. So now I'm going to get rid of this code because I don't want it twice. So let's get rid of that. Okay. So now I'm going to hit update. So now I got 3 columns, but I only put the code in the middle. Let me show you why I did that. So we're going to refresh our webcast page. There's our video sitting pretty in the middle, but it looks kind of small. How do you change the size of it? Okay, go back here. If you click on the block over here, see the blue line outline, you want that to show up. Then you go over here and you scroll to the left. See how it's getting smaller? Let's make it like 20. You do the same thing here. You click on this one, make sure it's blue, and you scroll to about 20. Look how everything's getting bigger. The one in the middle is getting bigger. See that? So you click update. I'm going to click refresh. Let's see how our video looks now. It got bigger. And if you want it to be bigger than that, go back and you just make these smaller. You go over here, so maybe you want it 10. Okay, boom, go to 10. Click this one, make it 10. The smaller you make these, the bigger your video gets. Okay, so go to 10, boom. Okay, hit update. Let's refresh, and the video is going to get bigger. Okay, if you see it's not centered, so let's center it. So we got this one here. Let's see, 10, we want to do 10. Well, let's type in 10. Okay, hit update. Go ahead and click refresh. Okay, why is the video's not centered? Let me see what's happening here. Click here, boom, boom. Make sure we got everything together. That's 10. That's 10. Maybe let's see. I could teach you a little bit of HTML. We're gonna click this little arrow thing, that right there. You type in center, and you click the other one on the other side. Okay, and you go back to the end. You go to the end of your HTML. You click that little thing there. I think it's the less than symbol. Type in center, and you click the hash, that thing like that, and then you click the greater than. Okay, and then you click update. Let's see if that helps us. And you click refresh. Now your video's in the center. That looks nice, right? Doesn't that look nice? Wow, look at that. And the cool thing about this, if it's a little small, it's okay. But when I hit play, I could always make it bigger. I have the option of making it full screen once it's live. Okay. So that looks pretty cool, looking nice. And if you want it really big, like say, nah, you say, I want it bigger, then all you got to do is take these blocks out. You just come over here, click these 3 dots and say, remove block. Come over here, click here, click these 3 dots, click remove block, and it'll give you a nice size video. Watch, I'll show you if you want it that big. Me, I probably wouldn't want it that big, but however you feel, there's your video. So, um, it's pretty much the same size as the other one. let me see here what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, we spread it out to 100%. See, you change this to 100%, watch how big it's gonna get now. Let's see what we got now. If you want it big, it'll get. Oh, what happened here? Let me see. Let me see what's going on here real quick. Let me see. Let me see down here. Okay, we got the embed. Okay, we got our sizes set with our embed. That's what it is. So if you want to change the sizes, see these numbers here? You could just come in here and you can make it say 800. See how this one says 315? You can make it 450. I'm showing you some good stuff right here. I wasn't planning on that, but I'm showing you how to customize it. Then you click update, and it's going to get bigger now because you just changed the HTML. Refresh. Now that's nice. Okay, and you can make it that big. Once you're live, I hit play, and I will actually see your live feed. You have a live webcast. Wow. You can put more information, email us if you have questions on the bottom here. For example, let me do that real quick. So you just add another block, and you can say for more or to contact us, email Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's my email, but you can put your church email. By the way, if you have any questions, you can email me at this email. All right, so then you just click update, and then you click refresh, and there it is. To contact us, email, and then you put your church email or whatever however people can contact you, phone number. This is rocking. So now you got a home page, you got a live webcast page. Wow. And you could get a free podcast. If you go to anchor.com, you need to have a podcast in order to set up your podcast page. And I showed you how to do that. You just go to your dashboard, okay? And you go to edit, and then you just start typing. You can say, welcome to our podcast. Let me show you how to do it. Welcome to say On Fire Church's podcast, whatever the name of your church is, podcast. Okay, but you have to have a podcast. Welcome to the On Fire Church's podcast. Click update. Okay. Now, let me just show you really quick. I wasn't going to show you this, but I have a podcast. So I'm going to go to my podcast service. Okay. I'm going to go get what's called the RSS feed. So if you set up a free podcast, Podbean, Anchor, I think there's a few places where you can get a free podcast. Just go to Google and type in free podcast services. Every podcast service is going to give you an RSS. So I'm going to grab my RSS feed for my podcast. Actually, it's my weekly radio show that we do for our church. So I'm going to click view and edit. Go get the RSS. See where it says RSS link? I'm going to grab that. I'm going to click copy. Once you set up your free podcast, they will give you an RSS feed. And what that does, it automatically updates your podcast. Just like your live feed for your YouTube video, this does it for your podcast, which is audio. Okay, so I got my RSS feed. I'm going to go back to my podcast page. I want to click plus up here. I want you to type in RSS. I'm going to give you this option. You click that. Then you drop your RSS feed right in that box right there. And you click use URL. Okay, then you click update and you'll be good to go. It's giving an error now. It's probably needs some time to register, but and you're good to go. So once you refresh your podcast page, your podcast will automatically update right here. And that's going to be cool. Let me give it a little bit of time and we'll come back and check on that. So that's how you do a podcast page. Tell me that's not rocky. And then your small groups. Okay, let me show you how to do that real quick. So to do it, let me close some of the stuff here. Let's close that. Okay, so go back to your dashboard because we want to work on our small groups page now. You go to your actual small groups page, edit, okay, and then you just start typing in the information of your small groups. The location, the name of the group. For example, you put name, the best small group, and then you could put host. So you just click enter, and give you a new line. Type host, brother or sister on fire. Click enter, location. You put the address 1234 Trekker Road, Goodwood Mall. And you put for the day of week, day of the week, day of the week. And you can say meets every Tuesday. Okay. Then you say for more information or contact details, however you want to put it. And then you just put the phone number of the person. If they want their personal phone number, you can put the church phone number. Okay, so you put 061-407-9474. There you go. Then you click update. Then you just go back to your small groups page, you hit refresh. That's rocking. Now you got a small group. And you can list all your small groups. You just keep repeating that same process. You got another small group, you just go over here, click enter, you start over again. Name. All right. The coolest small group. Coolest small group or Bible study, whatever you call them. And to make the name stand out, you can highlight it and you can bold it. You can highlight it, highlight this one, and you can bold it. Okay. And then you just hit update. Let's go hit refresh. There you go. Name the best small group. There's the information. Do the same thing there. And you just start adding your small groups. Now you're right. All right, let's do these last two pages and we'll be ready to wrap it up. Next thing you want to do is you want to create your blog page. That's what you do is you go back to your dashboard. Okay. And I want you to go to appearance. I'm sorry, settings. And then I want you to go to reading. Okay. And then where it says blog, post page, make sure it says blog. I think we selected that earlier. You hit save changes. And then you want to go to post and you want to take out where it says hello world. That's a sample post. You take that out. Okay. So just go to hit trash. Now to create a new blog, you hit add new. Okay. And then whatever you want to write about. You want to write about a testimony, you want to write about how God's moving in your church. But let me tell you a secret, the more blogs you have, the better for your website because that means it gives you more content and more chance for you to rank in Google and more opportunity for people to be able to see your website. So let's just say the testimony. We'll just say that. Okay, maybe it's a member in your church that has a testimony, and then you go down here and you just start writing. Thank you for stopping by our blog, and here is a powerful, powerful testimony. Boom, and you start writing. Boom, 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 and you start writing, and then you click publish. Whenever you're done, you can just paste this. Let me just paste this as if we were writing some more content. So you just paste. Boom, 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 boom. So you're writing content, right? You publish it. All right. Now here's the cool thing. When we go to our blog page, watch what happens. The blog, and there's the blog. There's the testimony, there's all the content we wrote, and people could read it. Is that rocking or what? And you can write as many blogs as you want. To create another blog, all you do, go back to your dashboard, you go to post, right? You click add new, and then you say you want to call this blog the church update. That will be rocking. Every week you write an update about your church, the church update. Okay, there's your title. You say here, oops, I misspelled church. And you just start writing. Here is how God is moving within our church. Boom. You say lives are being changed. Oops, I misspelled it. Lives are being changed. Souls being saved and families are being restored. Wow, right? So then you're writing, you're saying how God's moving, right? Boom. Oh, let me spell restored. Okay, boom. So you're writing. So I'm just gonna copy this content, boom, paste it, say I'm writing more stuff. God is moving, God's moving powerful, boom, boom, boom. And then I publish the blog, right? So then when I go back to our blog page and I hit refresh, watch what happens. Now we're gonna have two blogs. So you got the first one that we wrote, the testimony. Oops, did I publish it? Let me see. Let me see. Church update. Boom, it's now live. Yeah, it's live. Okay, so let me blog and refresh it. There we go. Okay, so now you got the testimony and then you got the church update. I click on the church update. There's the blog. Is that rocking or not? Man, that's rocking. And if you want to add another blog, you could do the same process. You go back to the dashboard, right? You click post, click add new. All you got to do is type the title of your blog, right? Once the page pops up, all you got to do is type the title, title right here. You start writing content. You start writing, testimony, praise report. You can get someone that likes to write, give reports of your services. Maybe you hit the streets, maybe you did a rally, maybe you did evangelism. God moved in a powerful way. Maybe you fed the homeless, and you can start writing about things that are happening in your church. So you get the content. That person that likes writing, they're writing every week, once a week, and you just put it on there. Boom, boom, boom. They're writing. Man, this is how God's moving. You can put images, video. I showed you how to add a video. You just go over here. All right, let's do that real quick. Say we want to put a video. You hit enter, click the plus. Then you got your YouTube thing here. We want to embed a YouTube video. So let me go to YouTube real quick. Just grab a quick video. Let's say I want to import it from our website. Let me see. Let me just pick a video real quick. Let me go to my page. Boom. This is rocking right here. I'm telling you. So let's see. Say I want to import this video. Say this is testimony of how God is moving, right? So then I just come here. I grab the share, click on the share, I copy the link, I go back to the page, and I put that link in that box, click embed. So now you have a video in your blog. Is that rocking? Then you hit publish. You publish your new blog, right? Then I go to my blog page, click on it, and it should be updated. There's the blog title, content. It's going to have a nice video. Click it. Want to read the blog. Tell me that's not rocking. Tell me that's not rocking. All right, let's go ahead and do our last page. Contact us. All you got to do is go to your dashboard. Okay, go to your dashboard. Then you go to your contact. You go to your pages. Go to your contact us page. Where's that at? There it is, right there. Click edit with block editor, and then you can just put your church information, put your email, put how they can get a hold of you. So you got contact us. You can say church address, right? Church address. Boom. Say it's 123 Four Tracker Road, corner of Four Tracker and McDonald in the Goodwood Mall. Right? You could say phone number 061 407 9474. You could say email info at boktown.net or .org. Okay? And there you go. And like I showed you how to make it bigger. You just highlight it, you can bold it, click this little thing here, you click heading, you can make it a H2, it makes it big, right? And then you click update. And then you go to your website, you click your contact us page. That's how they can contact you. That's not, is that rocket? Now let me show you how to put a form in your website where people could actually fill out a form for free. So there's a place called JotForm. I'm actually a member, so I got to go into an incognito window real quick. Let me see. Let me go up in here. I got to go into an incognito window. And then you just type in jotform.com. I'm going to show you how to get a free form you can put on your website. Okay, so if you go here, they tell you it's called JotForm. You just sign up, and here's the pricing. Here's their pricing. I think you get like 5 forms for free. Yeah, you get 5 forms for free. I have the paid version, but I'm telling you, this is worth it. You can start off for free. Let me show you how you can work. So once you sign up, it's going to give you the page that looks like this, and you just click create a form. In order to create a form, let me show you how it works. Okay, so here's the form that I've already created. But if you want to add anything, you just go here where it says add form element and say you want name, you just slide it on over. Boom, and you drop it. There's name. Okay, I'm going to take it out because I already have name. But if you want email, you just click and drag. Drop, there it is. So if you want name, email, phone number, how'd you hear about us? There you go. The way I did how did you hear about us is I just go down here. You say, what is it? Multiple choice. Click that, drag it on over. It's going to say you write what you want. How did you hear about us? And then you just choose your options: flyer, website, radio, TV, and then click the box. So it's a lot of it's just drag and drop, and a lot of the things are done for you. You just got to drag and drop. So here's the cool thing: once they fill out this form, it automatically gets emailed to you. So all the information, like their name, their email, their phone number, and whatever they tick here, will be emailed to you to the email of your choice. You just go to your settings, you choose what email you want it to go to right here, and then it'll send you an automatic email. Tell me that's not cool. So how do you get this into your website? The way you put it into your website is you go to publish. Okay, so say you created your form, you got your form right, you're excited, you're ready to go. You go to publish, you click embed, and then you get this form code right here, and you hit Control C, copy on a PC. I'm not for sure how you copy on a Mac. And you go back to your page, okay, and then you want to hit plus. You type in HTML, click that, and you take that code and you paste it in this little box right here, and paste it, and then you click update. Now watch what happens. When I go to my contact us page, there should be a form that pops up. There's the form we created. Is that rocking or not? You can even put the form on the top. So let me show you how to do that. If you want to change anything, like if you want it to be higher or lower, you just click on what you want to change. See these arrows? You want to make it go up, you just click it up. Click it up. It'll go all the way to the top. You want to go down, click down. All right, so we want our form to be at the top, right? Boom. And then we want the church address to be on the bottom. We click update. Then I go to my contact us page. Now which one happens? The form is going to be on the top. So you click contact us. There it is. And then you got your address. So you can do it either way if you like the address at the top, however you want to do it. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You got a 6-page website. All this has been done for free, FREE. If you have any questions, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Or you can go to my website, PastorDre.com. You can get a hold of me there. Don't forget, if this video you've enjoyed this webinar, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to be updated on when I release videos. Okay, because I want to help you take your online presence to another level. I want to help you take your church's online presence to another level. Because look, a lot of people are online. In some churches, you can't have church in the building. And if you don't have a website, it's like you don't have a building nowadays. And I showed you how to put your live feed on a website. Imagine this. You can do a live feed for your Bible study from a website. Wouldn't that be cool? You can say, you know what? Not only does our church have a website, but Bible study has its own website. And for those of you that can't come to my house now because of the lockdown, you can tune in online through our website, through our own Bible study website. Tell me that's not rocking. Maybe you're a Christian rapper. You want to create a website for your rap group. I just showed you how to do it for free. Now there are paid websites and probably give you a lot more options, but for free, this is rocking. If you have any questions, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. God bless you.